Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook Vankaya tomato curry. First, gather your core ingredients for this flavorful dish. We will use about 25 small Indian eggplants, also known as Vankaya, along with 4 ripe, medium-sized tomatoes. You will also need 1 large onion, 3 to 4 green chilies, and a few basic spices like turmeric and coriander powder. These fresh ingredients are key to building the rich taste profile. To start your preparation, carefully wash about 25 small eggplants. Then, make 2 cross-shaped slits at the bottom of each eggplant, ensuring the stem remains attached. Promptly place these cut eggplants into a bowl of salted water. This simple step prevents them from discoloring. Next, dice your 4 ripe tomatoes and 1 large onion into small, consistent pieces, preparing them for the next stage of cooking. For the flavor base, heat about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a sturdy pan over medium heat. Add 1 teaspoon each of mustard and cumin seeds, letting them splutter to release their aroma. Next, sauté the diced onion until it becomes beautifully translucent and develops a light golden hue. Finally, stir in 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and your 3 chopped green chilies, cooking for just about 1 minute until fragrant. Now, add the diced tomatoes to the pan and cook them for approximately 5 minutes, allowing them to soften completely. Stir in 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder, mixing well to coat everything. Place the prepared eggplants into the pan, add 1 cup of water, and season with salt to your preference. Cover the pan and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the eggplants become wonderfully tender.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.